I have what's called an IEP where it makes my brain go a little slower, makes my functions move a little slower, but other than that, I just don't let it fade me and just keep going.
Steps up and tries as hard as he can with everything. He may be a little bit slower, he may have a little bit slower reaction time, but he takes every rep of every practice and he goes as hard as he can, and that's all you can ask for a guy is to do his very best, and he does that every day.
He means a lot. You know, he was a transfer our freshman year, and he's obviously at my grade, and he was just a kid off in the corner of the transfer, so no one really knew who he was, and he just stood over there and did his lunges, but now he knows his routes, and he does all the lifts just like us, which he didn't really do when he was younger, and now he just blends in like one of us.
They've made it pretty good for me moving from Toledo to Perrysburg, with them helping me from getting friends to moving me up in the lines at receiver and safety and trying to get me in and stuff.
Not only on the football field, any of them that have had him, I've been fortunate enough to teach a class with Matt in there, and he's the same way in the classroom. He does everything he can to stay up on things and to do his work and to be the best student he can be.
You know, especially you do that with every transfer. You know, every kid comes, there's a new kid, they don't know anybody, and especially Matt. And so, you know, we took him on kind of under our wing and mentored him and stuff like that, and, you know, he's who he is now.
I've had a saying for years, that kid needs football more than football needs him. Well, Matt's a case where this team needs a guy like him. They need a guy like him that's going to be a great teammate and an inspiration for him. So it is a two-way street, honestly, with Matt Snider.
Snides is the hype guy. He's always around the student section, you know, third down defense. You just got to go to Snides, and he's always turning around, hyping everybody up, you know. So, and he sits with all, like me and my buddies at lunch every day. So, you know, everybody knows Snides, and Snides gets people going.
Kids in school know who Matt is. They know what he brings to the table, and he is, you know, kind of the inspirational leader on our team.
What is your message to other kids who might have a similar situation?
To never give up in what you believe in, try your best, and just keep doing it.